Is it the right moment to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore the SPY ETF in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You wouldn't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 7th of August, 2024, our system has categorized SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.66. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 6.87% since we initially recommended purchasing SPY just 8 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.86% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a modest upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further upward movement. The recent 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 2.27% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from negative 4.21% to positive 5.06%. For the 12-month outlook, the trend predicts a change of 31.18% over the next year, with possible returns falling between 23.20% and 36.64%. This would imply a price range between $682.89 and $757.39 after a year. Our latest daily update for SPY features the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for SPY as ETF downgraded to hold accumulate. On the last trading day, which was a Friday in mid-August 2024, the SPY ETF price gained just over 0.1%, moving from $553.07 to $554.31. Remarkably, it has achieved gains for 7 consecutive days. It is uncommon for ETFs to see such a streak, so a dip for a day or two is to be anticipated. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of nearly 0.2%, with a low of $551.26 and a high of $555.01. It has risen in 8 out of the last 10 days and is up by just over 4% over the past 2 weeks. However, it is worth noting that volume decreased on the last day by 20 million shares, with a total of 39 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $21.5 billion. A drop in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially serving as an early warning of changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $565.15, while the lowest price was $409.21. Currently, the price stands at 1.92%, or $10.84, below the 52-week high of $565.15, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent news surrounding the SPY exchange-traded fund highlights significant market trends and investor sentiment affecting the Standard & Poor's 500. As markets grapple with inflation-induced turbulence, investors are increasingly focused on safeguarding their wealth. The suggestion of utilizing certain stocks for protection reflects a cautious approach and could lead to a short-term shift in portfolio allocations towards safer assets, potentially putting downward pressure on SPY in the immediate term. The latest consumer price index news has also contributed to a sense of optimism as it shows growing investor confidence in the Federal Reserve's actions against inflation. This sentiment may encourage buying, temporarily lifting SPY's value. Additionally, the ongoing volatility underscores the importance of buffer exchange-traded funds for risk-averse investors, indicating a possible trend toward these investment vehicles that can mitigate exposure during market sell-offs. In the longer term, the current environment presents a mixed outlook. While historical patterns suggest a recovery may lie ahead following recent market corrections, caution remains prudent. As economic indicators continue to be monitored, SPY's performance will likely be influenced by broader market trends, investor psychology, and sector rotations, particularly the observed resurgence in real estate investment trusts compared to technology stocks. The ongoing market dynamics warrant close attention as the potential for both opportunities and risks evolve. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support at the levels of $541.42 and $546.05. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5, 2024, and since then, the price has increased by 7.14%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the rise in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal from 8 days ago. Short-term moving average. Buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average. Buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 182 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop-loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $532.90, a level that may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically trades with substantial volume, and given its minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $3.75, which is a change of 0.68% between its high and low. In the past week, the ETF has exhibited an average daily volatility of 0.88%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $556.48. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $532.90. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $526.75, reflecting a decrease of 4.97%. This exchange-traded fund has low daily fluctuations, contributing to a reduced risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment choice? While the SPY ETF shows several positive indicators, we believe these are insufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is advisable to view it as a hold or accumulation position while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses identified in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this ETF from a buy to a hold or accumulate rating since our last assessment. After evaluating the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of August, we anticipate the SPY to open lower by approximately 78 cents, starting at $553.53. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.